Hi, thank you for joining eGlass Railing for this installation video. Here we will demonstrate the main steps for installing our eGlass Vision frameless system, which uses clamps rather than rails to hold your glass and keep your view as open as possible. Before installing this system, familiarize yourself with local building codes for compliance, and consult the instructional PDF for tips and detailed instructions. To begin, reference the layout sheet provided by your estimator to determine the locations of your posts and prepare them with blocking if necessary. Mark where the base plate holes will be and line up the holes of your base plate pads with these marks. Select a base plate and post blank for installation. Attach the base plates to the post using the 6 flathead screws indicated in the instructional PDF. Tighten firmly into place. Set the completed post assembly down over the base plate pad. Slide screw cover sleeves into the holes of the base plate and place screw cover bases over the holes. Fasten the base plate to the deck or other surface using the anchor bolts indicated in the instructional PDF. Continue tightening the bolts until the head is firmly seated against the base plate. Be careful not to over-tighten. Snap the screw cover caps onto the screw cover bases. Repeat the process for each post. Place the drill guide on the side of a post and cut the post to its final height. Repeat for each post. Use the drill guide again to mark the screw locations for your clamps and pre-drill the holes. Remove the drill card and attach part A of each clamp to the post using the indicated screws. Do not over-tighten. Repeat for each post. Insert rubber gaskets into both part A and part B of each clamp if they are not there already. Have someone hold a glass panel between the posts so that it rests against the rubber gaskets of part A. Attach part B of each clamp to part A using the included screws. Adjust the panel so that the bottom is no more than 4 inches above the deck surface. Then tighten the screws on the clamps to secure the panel into place. Make sure the glass panel is supported firmly by the glass clamps, but be careful not to over-tighten. Complete the railing by snapping post caps onto the posts. Thanks for watching and enjoy your finished glass railing. If you are interested in this railing, be sure to visit our website at eglassrailing.com and click on the green button at the top of the page to request an estimate from one of our railing experts. For additional questions, give us a call at 800-545-1275 or send an email to sales@eglassrailing.com.